So I'm 26 years old and I've never had a normal job in my life, and I've never had a girlfriend. Um, and yeah, so I'm going to tell you about that. So basically, I grew up with a lot of friends, just uh, not really doing a lot of work, business stuff. I would, do lemonade stands. I would sell candy. I would make videos, make money from that at a young age. But I never had a normal job, and and so that was interesting. I always worked with my dad. Uh, he cleaned pools, so I did that, and it's people always think you're doing something crazy when you don't have a normal job. People think you're just doing the wrong thing or you're crazy or whatever. But that's not. But I always had something in my mind that I wanted to succeed on YouTube, ultimately. And long story short, we did have some successful videos, multiple successful videos, but they kind of died off. And did have a successful channel at one point, but now it's kind of dead. So I'm just figuring out what I'm supposed to be doing. I know it's okay to get a job. I'm not saying it's not okay to get a job. I've applied a lot of places, haven't gotten one, but still living at home as well. But I still have this belief in me that's just like, I'm going to make it. Which is like, at this point, it's like delusion. It's just, yeah, at this point, it's like, but it's still, you have to be delusional to be successful. I truly believe that. You can comment whatever you want, but I know I'm going to keep going on this path of entrepreneurship, even if I, die trying to be successful. It's just, that's something that I've never given up on and that I won't give up on, but it's easy to say from an outsider's perspective that you should quit, that I should quit YouTube or whatever, but it's just not going to happen. And it's interesting. I've developed perseverance through it, and it's helped me a lot. But like I said, I've never had a normal job, and I don't really think a normal job would fit me very well. So I'm just figuring out that. But like I said, I've applied places, but anyways, it's just realizing that you just have to keep going. Entrepreneurship is not easy, and if I can do it one time, I can do it again. I know that God ultimately is in control, and I don't know. But basically, going back to not having a girlfriend, I don't really find any shame in not having a girlfriend at never having a girlfriend at 26. I don't really have a lot of shame with that. I know a lot of people are giving up on dating, and it is a thought in my mind, giving up, but I truly believe that at 36 is the time where guys are most attractive if you keep uh, in shape, if you keep eating right, if you keep all that type of stuff. Like you're gonna be have a lot of value in the marketplace at um, even in your mid 30s. So it's like you can't give up before it even starts. Um, Also, career. You never know what can happen in your career in a decade, for sure. But yeah, I don't even really feel like. I mean, obviously, I do feel behind. My brother is doing a lot more than me, and he's 3 years younger. But that doesn't. Yeah, it does. It does hurt me. Well, it does. I mean, it does um, make me think like, oh, I should be ahead or whatever. But that's just kind of how it is, and um, you know, but not having a girlfriend at 26, I don't really think that's like. I mean, obviously, I would like to, like, I've pursued dates and stuff a little bit, but I haven't really put much effort into pursuing women, um, which is just my decision on what I've chose to do. That's really just my decision. Um, and I'm working on my business. I'm working on connecting with people, social skills, and obviously I've learned a lot about women over the years. I've actually studied it a decent amount, not anything compared to some people, but I have studied it a decent amount, and I do find it fascinating, and I like to learn about it. But what I've learned is work on yourself, work on your mindset, work on your business, work on your everything, and then it'll happen when God's timing. But yeah, just I don't know. I've been discouraged quite recently, honestly, about just life. I've had a lot of struggles in my life in the last years, and I've kind of gotten worn down. But I'm not giving up. Like I said, I'm not giving up. But yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. That's pretty much it. God bless. Have a great day.